Hey everybody, welcome back. Today's video is part 3 of the videos where I'm building this John Deere 50-inch deck. In the last video I rebuilt all 3 mower deck spindles, and what we're going to do today is go ahead and get those back on the deck, get the belt on it, and we'll be pretty much done with the actual rebuild itself. I did also replace all 4 gauge wheels on the deck. I didn't film that, didn't think it was worth filming, but I did go ahead and do that also. After we're done getting the spindles and the belt on and blades, the next thing we'll do probably in the next video is going to be to go ahead and drill and mount all the mounting brackets for the power flow system. And then this thing will be pretty much ready for spring. Alright, let's go ahead and get these spindles and blades on. Alright, so the spindles and blades are on, so all we have left to do for now is go ahead and get the belt on. Alright guys, that's all I have for today's video. On the next video, we're going to go ahead and mount the power flow brackets as well as modify the right side belt cover to make room for that taller pulley for the power flow system. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe. Please give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.